See, it's blinking.
What's that mean when it blinks?
It's recording.
Oh, he's looking at you. Okay, that's close enough. We're gonna steal him. Oh, hi, sweetie.
That's a tough way to start, I'll tell you that.
Hi,
Double
sweetie.
6.
Oh, you're so cute. You are. Look at you. How cute you are. You're so cute. Oh, boy. The birdies outside?
Shot 75 on that final day to finish in a tie for
You're
sixth.
so cute.
Now 14.
Aw,
Long second
you're
here.
funny.
At 14,
You are. You're funny.
26 yards. Trying to play
You're
a little
funny.
hybrid
Look at you.
that back left hole location and take
You're
a
so
look at
cute.
that hard bounce. These greens are firming up.
Back up a little bit.
Tough stance here.
You're just so cute. You are. Yes, you are. Good kitty, kitty cat. Ah.
Green to work with over Maggard.
You're good kitty, kitty cat. Yes, you are. Oh, yes, you are. You're a good kitty, kitty, kitty cat.
Gotta be a lot of nerves running through his body right now.
Up to 4.
You taking a nap, sweetie?
Zach Johnson here at the
Huh?
fourth has made a
You
mess
taking
of
a
the hole.
nap? Oh, he's biting his toe.
This actually a putt for.
Oh, yes, you are. You're taking a nappy, nappy nap.
Short green right at 2. Short
You're taking a nappy nap. Yes, you are. You're just the cutest thing in the world. Yes, you are. You're just the cutest thing in the world. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're the cutest thing in the world. Yes, you are. Look at his feather.
That's just like stealing two, Gary.
What is that? Is that your feather? Is that your feather? Huh? Is that your feather? Ooh. 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 Ah.
Paid the price. So we go to the first. A good look at the whole location at the first where Tiger is away in that fairway bunker. Roger Hall in that final group.
Oh, he got it.
Good afternoon.
He got his feather.
This tee shot of Tiger's was missing. It was kind of popped up on the toe and always right. 156 left.
Is it a clean line?
John, I hadn't been able to see the line.
He's playing with his
Sorry, I
feather.
haven't had a chance to look at this one.
Oh boy.
Okay.
Where is it? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. Oh, oh. You gonna get your feather?
See Joe Lamont there in the orange bit, which indicates that
Ow.
his man Tiger is the FedEx Cup leader on the strength of 3 victories already this year.
And the good news here, Johnny, is the angle, the further right you get, the better it gets. So he has the good angle.
All right.
The green, the way the green's a little bit angled left or right to left, excuse me.
Yeah, it looks like a clean line. It's sort of been done.